वो हैरत से मफलूज होकर खड़ी थी।
She stood paralyzed with amazement. She stood paralyzed with amazement.
इसने मुस्कुराते हुए मुझे मदद की पेशकश की।
He offered to assist me with a smile. He offered to assist me with a smile.
मैं काम करने के लिए दस्तयाब हूँ।
I am available to do the task. I am available to do the task.
मैं आपकी बात पर अमल करूंगा।
I will take you up on your word. I will take you up on your word.
वो इसकी तवज्जो मंजर से हटाने की कोशिश कर रही थी।
She was trying to divert his attention from the scene. She was trying to divert his attention from the scene.
इन्होंने उसे एहतियात से देखा।
They eyed her with caution. They eyed her with caution.
इसका लहजा हिफारत से भरा हुआ था।
Her tone was one of contempt. Her tone was one of contempt.
मैं इन्हें तुमसे बेहतर जानता था।
I knew them better than you did. I knew them better than you did.
किश्ती को मुख्तलिफ सिमत में ले जाएं।
Steer the boat in a different direction. Steer the boat in a different direction.
कार्ड तेजी से अलमारी में रखा।
The card was put in the cupboard quickly. The card was put in the cupboard quickly.
जो कुछ हुआ इसके बारे में वो खुद को मुजरिम महसूस कर रहा था।
He felt guilty about what happened. He felt guilty about what happened.
मैंने इसका जज्बा बढ़ाने की कोशिश की।
I tried lifting his spirit. I tried lifting his spirit.
वो हमेशा खुशगवार अंदाज में बात करता था।
He always spoke in a joyous way. He always spoke in a joyous way.
ट्रेन आखिरी मंजिल पर आकर रुक गई।
The train came to a stop at the final destination. The train came to a stop at the final destination.
लिबास पार्टी के लिए ज्यादा मौजू है।
The dress is more suited for a party. The dress is more suited for a party.
उनकी गुज़श्ता माह सर्जरी हुई थी।
He underwent surgery last month. He underwent surgery last month.
मुझे याद नहीं कि मैंने क्या कहा।
I can't remember what I said. I can't remember what I said.
मैंने आप पर भरोसा करके एक बहुत बड़ी गलती की है।
I made a terrible mistake by trusting you. I made a terrible mistake by trusting you.
वो जल्दी से ट्रेन स्टेशन से दूर चली गई।
She hurried away from the train station. She hurried away from the train station.
वो स्कूल से गायब हो गई।
She vanished from the school. She vanished from the school.
वो गुस्से से इसके पास से गुजरा।
He strode past her with an angry look. He strode past her with an angry look.
बच्चा दर्द से चीखा।
The baby screamed at the pain. The baby screamed at the pain.
मैं इसके सामने रो पड़ा।
I wept in front of him. I wept in front of him.
जोड़े को दूर से देखा जा सकता था।
The couple could be seen from afar. The couple could be seen from afar.
इसने उसे तेज चलने के लिए कहा।
She alerted him to walk faster. She alerted him to walk faster.
मैं कुछ रकम हासिल करने के काबिल था।
I was able to acquire some of the money. I was able to acquire some of the money.
आइए एक बातचीत के लिए मुलाकात करते हैं।
Let's catch up for a talk. Let's catch up for a talk.
इसने एहतियात से रोटी का एक टुकड़ा निगल लिया।
He carefully swallowed a bite of bread. He carefully swallowed a bite of bread.
चमकती हुई रोशनियों ने इसका ध्यान बटा दिया।
The flashing lights distracted her. The flashing lights distracted her.
मुझे सिर्फ अपने काम पर कुछ तौसीफ की जरूरत है।
I just needed some validation on my work. I just needed some validation on my work.
जब भी वो बहस करते वो सुन ली थी।
She listened in whenever they discussed. She listened in whenever they discussed.
वो खौफनाक मंजर देखकर भाग गया।
He fled the gruesome sight. He fled the gruesome sight.
इन्होंने अपने एवार्ड्स के बारे में आजिज रहने की कोशिश की।
They tried to be humble about their awards. They tried to be humble about their awards.
दिन गुजरने के साथ साथ हर तालिब इल्म मजीद मायूस नजर आता था।
Each student sounded more dispirited as the day passed. Each student sounded more dispirited as the day passed.
मैं काम से बोझल था।
I was weighed down with work. I was weighed down with work.
वो अपने हम जमात का पता भूल गया।
He forgot the address of his classmate. He forgot the address of his classmate.
इसके दोस्त ने उसे इसकी नाकामी पर तसल्ली दी।
Her friend consoled her on her failure. Her friend consoled her on her failure.
उसके बेटे ने बाल कटवाए हैं।
Her son got a trimmed haircut. Her son got a trimmed haircut.
वो हाल का जायजा लेने चला गया।
He went on surveying the hall. He went on surveying the hall.
इनकी आंखें खौफ और बेएतबारी से फैल गईं।
Their eyes widened with fear and disbelief. Their eyes widened with fear and disbelief.
सामीन से बात करते हुए वो रुक गई।
She paused while talking to the audience. She paused while talking to the audience.
आखिरकार वो अलग-अलग रास्ते चले गए।
They finally went separate ways. They finally went separate ways.
मैंने हिचकिचाते हुए सवाल का जवाब दिया।
I reluctantly answered the question. I reluctantly answered the question.
टीम फाइनल सेट होने की उम्मीद कर रही थी।
The team was hoping to be a finalist. The team was hoping to be a finalist.
बस हर रोज आपको दिए गए कामों को मुकम्मल करते रहिए।
Just keep completing the tasks given to you each day. Just keep completing the tasks given to you each day.
वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे गिरा और इसकी रीढ़ की हड्डी में चोट आई।
He fell down the stairs and hurried his spine. He fell down the stairs and hurried his spine.
लड़के एक से ज्यादा बार पकड़े जा चुके हैं।
The boys have been caught more than once. The boys have been caught more than once.
मैं अब भी हजम करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि क्या हुआ।
I am still trying to digest what happened. I am still trying to digest what happened.
आप कम अज कम खुश नजर आने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं।
You can at least try looking happy. You can at least try looking happy.
उसे उस झूठ से नफरत थी जो उन्होंने उससे कहा था।
He hated the lie that they told him. He hated the lie that they told him.
मैं इस सूरत-ए-हाल पर शर्मिंदा था।
I was embarrassed at the situation. I was embarrassed at the situation.
इस साल इम्तिहान आसान रहा।
The exam was easy this year. The exam was easy this year.
वो इम्तिहान से गुजरी।
She got through the test. She got through the test.
इसने बगैर नींद में गए अगले शहर तक गाड़ी चला दी।
He drove all the way to the next town without dozing off. He drove all the way to the next town without dozing off.
बकरी ने इसका कपड़ा चैथड़ों में खा लिया।
The goat ate his cloth to rags. The goat ate his cloth to rags.
वो तरकीब पर उछल पड़ा।
He jumped at the idea. He jumped at the idea.
उसे इसके खाने की ज्यादा फिक्र थी।
She was more concerned about his food. She was more concerned about his food.
हतमी जवाब के मुकाबले में मेरा हिसाब गलत था।
My calculations were wrong compared to the final answer. My calculations were wrong compared to the final answer.
मैं बाहर जाने के लिए बहुत थका हुआ था।
I was too fatigued to go out. I was too fatigued to go out.
दर्द ने उसे बेहोश कर दिया।
The pain made him go unconscious. The pain made him go unconscious.
इनके दरमियान एक हकीकी राब्ता कायम हुआ था।
A real connection was made between them. A real connection was made between them.
इसने बड़े एतिमाद से जवाब दिया।
He replied with quite the confidence. He replied with quite the confidence.
मैं कल की तरफ एक बड़ा खौफ महसूस करता रहा।
I kept feeling a great fear towards tomorrow. I kept feeling a great fear towards tomorrow.
वो अंदर आह भर कर बैठ गया।
He sat down with an inward sigh. He sat down with an inward sigh.
मैंने बेजारी से इसकी चीजें फर्श पर अनडील दी।
I poured its contents on the floor in disgust. I poured its contents on the floor in disgust.
मुकाबले के लिए खाने का इम्तिजाज खौफनाक था।
The food combination for the competition was horrible. The food combination for the competition was horrible.
वो अपने ख्यालात को जिंदा करने की सलाहियत रखता था।
He had a talent of bringing his ideas to life. He had a talent of bringing his ideas to life.
मैं फर्ज करूंगा कि वो गलत था।
I would assume that he was wrong. I would assume that he was wrong.
अपने टेस्टों के नताइज का इंतजार करते हुए वो बेचैन था।
He was nervous while awaiting the results of his tests. He was nervous while awaiting the results of his tests.
हर हर एक ने तसल्ली का एक लफ्ज पेश किया।
They each offered a word of comfort. They each offered a word of comfort.
वो कंपनी में अपनी सरमायाकारी के नताइज का जायजा ले रहा था।
He was examining the outcome of his investments in the company. He was examining the outcome of his investments in the company.
इसके पास अपने खरीदारों को कायल करने का एक तरीका था।
She had a way of persuading her buyers. She had a way of persuading her buyers.
वो इस जमीन का मकाम भूल गया जो वो खरीदना चाहता था।
He forgot the location of the land he wanted to buy. He forgot the location of the land he wanted to buy.
मैं कंपनी के माली मामलात का इंचार्ज हूँगा।
I will be in charge of the finances of the company. I will be in charge of the finances of the company.
कुदरती आफात उनको निकाले जाने से पहले 2 बार पेश आए।
The natural disasters happened twice before they were evacuated. The natural disasters happened twice before they were evacuated.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि इमारत ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऊंची हो।
I want the building to be as tall as possible. I want the building to be as tall as possible.
वो समझने की कोशिश कर रही थी कि क्या हुआ।
She was trying to comprehend what happened. She was trying to comprehend what happened.
इसके चेहरे से इसके रवैये पर हैरानी जाहिर हो रही थी।
Her face showed visible shock at his behavior. Her face showed visible shock at his behavior.
वो अपने बेकार कारोबारी मंसूबों का जायजा लेने के लिए जिद्दोजहद कर रहा था।
He was struggling to take in the sight of his torn business plans. He was struggling to take in the sight of his torn business plans.
मैंने शर्माते हुए बिस्किट खाया।
I shyly bit into a biscuit. I shyly bit into a biscuit.
मेरे पास एक तजवीज़ है।
I have an idea. I have an idea.
आपको हकीकत का ख्याल रखना होगा।
You have to regard the truth. You have to regard the truth.
उसके वालिद दस्तकारी में माहिर थे।
His father was a master at crafts. His father was a master at crafts.
वो काउंटर के पीछे से कूद गई।
She jumped from behind the counter. She jumped from behind the counter.
बागबान झाड़ियां कितरता रहा।
The gardener kept shearing the bushes. The gardener kept shearing the bushes.
हमने हमेशा साथ रहने का अहद किया।
We made a vow to always stay together. We made a vow to always stay together.
बिल्ली ने दूध गिरा दिया।
The cat spilled the milk. The cat spilled the milk.
मैंने पेंटिंग में बहुत ज्यादा वक्त लगाया।
I invested much time in the painting. I invested much time in the painting.
इसने फाइलों को स्क्रॉल किया।
He scrolled through the files. He scrolled through the files.
खानों की कीमतों में रद्दोबदल किया गया।
There was a change in the price of the meals. There was a change in the price of the meals.